Today's video, I'm going over the progress for the Stylized Windmill project that I've been working on. I needed a small project to get the creative juices flowing again and get back into the craft, software, and workflow. It made me realize when you step away from the art for a few months, you definitely miss out on small details in your workflow. There were a lot of things I forgot, and I am so grateful I'm having the opportunity to be reminded of these things that I've forgotten in terms of processes for future projects. One of those things was separating and providing space for geo if you are reusing pieces for cleaner bakes. This can be referred to or called exploding geo or blowing up your asset for baking. Another lesson is creating a full preview asset in Painter to see your final geo next to the mesh you will be painting on. Once I was done with the textures and final polishing for the windmill, it was time to place it into Marmoset. I felt like the scene was missing motion. I decided I needed to add motion to the windmill blades. To do this, I combined the windmill blade pieces and added a simple rotation keyframe animation to give it motion. But I wasn't done there. I felt like it was still missing something else. Wind. I created some planes and a wind streak texture, added UV scrolling keyframes to the wind streak material in Marmoset, and this gave the scene some much needed motivation to the windmill motion. The next couple of weeks, I will continue to work on the scene by finishing off the props next to the windmill and the ground plane. That wraps this week's project update. If you are working on your own project too, I'd love to know if you are bumping into any challenges. Take care and see you all next time.